Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install Roblox on Windows 11. Click on Start. Now here open Microsoft Store. Now here type Roblox. Now click on here Roblox. Again click on it. Now download and install. So this is the easy and quick way to download and install Roblox on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. Just open Microsoft Store and find out Roblox and just click on get. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.